This is the video demo of final project I developed for my Android programming class. For this final project, I developed an app named Vocabboost. As name suggests, this app helps users to get a boost in their English vocabulary. This is aimed at the students, those who are preparing for exams like SAT and GMAT. Although those exams don't directly test your vocabulary, but they does it in indirect way by testing your ability to understand the written passage. So I decided to make an app which serve this purpose, hence Vocabboost. Let's see how it works. A user need to have an account. If they don't, they can either create it using register page, where they have to provide their name, email, password. All the fields are necessary, and they can create their account. Or if they have one, they can directly use the login page to sign in with their credential. So let's sign with a user which I already created in the database, and let's see where it takes us. So it says login successful, and here is the home screen. It shows the avatar pic, which was randomly assigned when a user created an account, and a username, which the user provided during registration. The homepage also provides us with two metrics. First, completed means the percentage of words user has already completed, and a global percentile rank, which basically means where the user stands among all the other users who are using this app. It also provides us with three buttons: learn, quiz, and leaderboard, for different functionalities provided by the app. Let's see what learn does. So learn UI provides user with continuous stream of randomly selected word which user has not yet completed. Each word will be presented with most common definition, which will be presented under meaning section, and it will also fetch the other definition and usage data from an API, such as examples, synonyms, and antonyms. The user is presented with two choices, thumbs up and thumbs down. Thumbs up means user has now understood the word and thus doesn't want to repeat it, whereas thumbs down means user is still unsure about the word and thus wants to repeat. So in this way, user can keep learning and marking the words according to his own choice. So let's go back to again home screen and see the quiz functionality. The quiz UI starts by asking two types of information. First, number of questions, and second, a source list. So right now there are two types of source list. First is learned word list. Here the 5 means the user has learned only 5 words. Or there is another list called all words list, which means the quiz will be built from all the words available in the app. So here is an interesting scenario. If a user selected number of questions more than the number of learned word, but still selected a learned word list and try to start the quiz, the app won't let it start. It will say number of learned words less than the number of the questions. So that means right now he has to choose the all words list to start a quiz. So the quiz has started. As we can see, the next and submit button is disabled. A user has to select one option to enable the next button, and when the quiz reaches to the last question, the submit button will get enabled. So let's see. I'm just randomly selecting a word and next button get enabled. So we'll quickly do, let's say, complete all this quiz to see when the submit button get enabled. I know I should have chosen number of question 5 for the demo, but that's okay. And let's see, and so this is the last question. The submit button get enabled, and let's submit it. And I score very poorly, just 3 out of 10. And here is my scorecard. These were the words which came in the quiz. These were the correct options, and these were selected. All the options you just selected. So this is a scorecard. So we'll go back to home screen. So let's go to leaderboard. The name suggests shows us a ranking board where each row corresponds to a user with its rank. Rank, as discussed earlier, is calculated based on number of quiz points a user has earned. Each question in quiz represents 1 point. As we can see, if more than one user has same number of points, they share the same rank in the leaderboard. For example, we have Thanos and Hulk with same rank 1. And if you'll see below, users from Black Widow till Loki share rank 6 because they haven't solved a single question and thus have all the users have 0 points from Black Widow to Loki. So they are sharing rank 6. Oh, although the UI is scrollable, so if you want to see your rank or interested in somebody's else rank, you can scroll down the list and find it. But the app provides us a very quick way to achieve this via a search functionality. So if we type in a username, let's say THE, it will filter out all of the results and show all the users which has the word in their username. So we can achieve the functionality of finding a user and its rank very quickly via search functionality. And finally, user can log out through button provided in the action bar, and we'll come back to login screen again. Thanks.